Ukrainian Orthodox clergyman Metropolitan Epiphany led religious services in Kiev. It was his first Mass as head of the new unified Orthodox Church of Ukraine. At least 42 people were hurt in an explosion in Sapporo, Japan, that destroyed wooden buildings, including an office. Security guards expelled 2 protesting lawmakers from Hungary's state television building, and police used tear gas on demonstrators in Budapest. And in Athens, an explosion destroyed windows at one of Greece's largest television stations in what officials called an attack on democracy.